Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today I am going to show about zedsly original audio reel editing. If you want to try this then keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to make this video you need VN application which is easily find on your Play Store. Guys, first install the VN app. After that, when you will open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, you have to import the 7 photos on here. To import the photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 7 photos from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. In this way you have to take like this. Now guys, first you delete the end part of video and select the ratio of 9:16. Okay, then you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you download the real video from that given link. After that you have to extract the audio from that reel. Then guys, to extract the music, click on the plus icon and click the music option. Now click on the plus icon on here and click the extract from video option. Then select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Now guys, click on the OK option and click the choose option and have to done from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photo durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay guys, in this way have to trim like this you have seen. Now guys, note the photos durations. So first photo duration will be 0.95 second and next two photos durations will be same which is 0.90 second. Okay, you can say. Then guys, again other next two photos duration will be same which is 0.50 second. Now guys, last second photo duration will be 0.15 second. And last photo duration is 0.18 second. Okay, so guys, you have to keep the durations like this. Your video will be perfect. Now your video is completed. You can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now click on the save to album option and video will be saved. In this way guys, you can make this video very easily. So how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.